Hey guys, just a quick little repair here. One of the boys' landscape trailers, the expanded metal is coming apart. You can see way over there. I have a whole nother sheet to put on here, but I'm thinking if I can push it back into shape, I might be able to just re-weld this and save that new sheet for another project. So maybe I'll just make a quick little video. I took a piece of 4-inch channel that I got out of the boneyard that happened to fit right in here. I welded the bottom right there tight, and then I cranked with a clamp to bring all of this tight up against the angle iron. So I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right up here with the cutoff wheel. That'll shine up all the ends of the expanded metal, and then I'm going to take the grinder and run right along that to create a real small clean weld spot, and then I'll bring you back. So here it is. Ugly. Let's see, I gotta stay out of the light. Ugly. I got some to do up here yet. Most of them are pretty good. The original one only had every 5th or 6th one welded. I tried to get something on all of them. So I'm going to do this for the other 4 areas. But before I do, I want to pull a anti-camarada and paint this darn thing before it's even cool. If you haven't checked his channel out, it's really good. Okay, all done. Put a new bolt in there with a nut. So, went pretty good. All right. I guess that's it. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.